Hey guys, so today we're going to be doing a soft romantic makeup look using Drugstore products. So if you guys are interested in seeing the tutorial, then just keep watching. So I started off by putting the Physicians Formula Rosé All Day primer on my face along with the Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage Foundation on my face in 112. I set my face with the Ruby Kisses matte finish powders that I recently found at the drugstore. It's a new brand at CVS that I found. I used the Rimmel Lasting Finish 25-Hour Breathable Coverage Concealer, and then a little of the Bronze Beauty Blush from Revlon and the contour powder from Essence. So that is what's on my face right now, and some Maybelline brow products. So I thought we would go in with some glow. The first step that I love to do is a little bit of liquid highlight. I do have powder on my face, but these tend to wear pretty well on top. So I'm going to go in first with the new Physicians Formula Spotlight Illuminating Primer, but it also doubles as a liquid highlight. So first with this, and then second with the Maybelline and Gigi Hadid Liquid Strobe in the Iridescent shade. I love this one. It's like a beautiful pinky pearl. So these together will give me my base, and then I'll put a little powder highlight on top. You see that glow? It's so pretty. So there is the Spotlight Glow. It's like a diffused glow. It's really pretty. And then I'm going to go in with the Gigi Hadid Iridescent. I love that pink glow. You see just like the pink shift? It's very soft and pretty. I love it. I've been loving liquid highlight lately. It just gives my skin this nice fresh glow, and this is on top of powder, not patchy at all. So just use a damp sponge and you'll be good to go. All right, next for just a little bit more pink, I'm going to add the Maybelline Master Chrome Molten Rose Gold highlight on top. This is very intense, so you don't need a lot. Just a little right there. Dewy. Okay, so the face is nice and glowy, just the way I like it. Let's add a little blush. I'm going to use the Physicians Formula Butter Blush in Rosy Pink. This is a nice, like, traditional pink blush from the drugstore. It's like a cool tone blush, cool tone pink. Okay, for the eyes, I'm going to do a combination of two shadow palettes from Honest Beauty, which you can get at Target, I believe. So I feel like this is drugstore. And then a super sparkly shadow from Luxie Beauty. I haven't decided which one yet, but here are my super intense sparkle shadows from Luxie Beauty. And I do have a discount code. It's JOY10, JOY10 for 10% off anything at Luxie Beauty, LOOXIBeauty.com. If you guys are interested, they're like $5 shadows, so that brings it down to $4.50 a piece. I feel like that's a really good deal, and they're very good shadows in case you guys are looking for any. Anyway, enough of a shameless plug. Let's jump right in. I've already primed my eyes with concealer and set them with powder. So I think I'm going to jump in with this like mauve pink right here and just make that my transition shade. Next, I'm going to go in with the deep purple on the outer corner. And then using a flat shadow brush, I think I'm going to go into Luxie's Foxy Lady. It's like this really pretty purple with a hint of gold. It's very, very pretty. And then I'm just going to go back in with a little bit of that purple and deepen up the outer portion. Dilly. And then taking a MAC 218 little pencil brush, I'm just going to drag the mauve shade along the bottom lash line. Dilly. Then I'm going to put a little bit of the dark purple just along the outer portion of the lower lash line. And I don't usually do false lashes, so I'm just going to do a mascara that I know I really enjoy, if I can find it. That is the Maybelline Total Temptation Mascara. This is a good one. I also like the Gigi Hadid Fiber Mascara, so sometimes I go back and forth between this one. I also love my Lancome Monsieur Big, so pick whatever mascara you think makes your lashes look amazing and go with that. So I'll be back to show you what it looks like after mascara. Okay, so I pulled out a few lips from my collection from the drugstore to see which one I think works best with this look. We have the matte lipstick in Infinite Love from Ruby Kisses. That one's a contender. We have Tara from the Gigi Maybelline collection. That one might be a little bit too warm. I pulled out Erin, also from the Gigi collection. This one looks like it has a little bit more purple undertones. That one might be nice. I pulled out Candy from Rimmel. This one has like a little sheen to it. I think I have too much glitter going on already, too much shine, so I'm going to pass on that one. And finally, I pulled this purple. That might be fun. Why don't we try the purple? I haven't tried this color yet. This is number 100 Philosopher from Maybelline. Ooh, it looks very purple. Maybe not. I didn't say it had to be pink. I said it could be soft and romantic. That's actually not that strange. I like that with this eye look. It's kind of pretty. If you want a more wearable look, then go with one of these lipsticks because they're a little bit more neutral. But if you don't mind being a little bit bold and out there, then try the purple. It looks really cool. Okay, so that completes this affordable romantic makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and as always, I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.